All right, guys. Well, good news. I received my sofa / love seat. So it is here. I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like with the parts. I don't think I'm going to record the actual assembly, but what I will do, if I don't record the actual assembly, is amend this recording at the end with what it looks like in its final position. And I'm not sure how complicated the assembly instructions are going to be, so I don't want to look like too much of a fool on here. So let me just open it up and show you what some of it looks like. Yeah, there's a lot of parts. Okay. Wowzers. Okay. I guess I kind of expected it because, it is a love seat after all. So this looks like it's one of the sides. And when I say love seat, I'm talking, it's basically just a large chair. Two people could sit on it, but you gotta like them. So that's one of the sides. I guess it goes like that. It's probably this side. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to assemble it on camera. I think it's just going to be a few screws though. And if that's the case, I'm just going to show you, what it's like afterwards. Because it looks like I said, there's 1, 2, 3 screws on the sides. And that looks like it's the other side. Man, I just swept too. Damn it. Because that's probably like a support. God, I hope this thing fits where I want it. I've been designing this for a little while. Or planning the design for a little while. Without being able to see the apartment, and without being able to tell the actual sizes. So this is, what is this one? I think that's the bottom. It's a nice gray. Come on. It's a nice gray fabric with a dark, like walnut tone on it. Not a lot of space to work with here, that's for sure. This is the back. It feels nice, actually. So, let's see here. This is the back. And it's tufted, which is cool. Kind of fancy. Then, see if I can find the hardware in here. Because there's a string bag or something. I don't know. There we go. That's the hardware. I mean, it may not take that long. Ooh, why are you still heavy? There's something else. There's a suction of the air underneath the box. All right. Definitely not going to be a 360 video because, well, it's a mess behind the camera right now. So let me see. I might actually just throw this thing together real quick. Let me grab my spectacles. I'm sorry if the framing isn't right, but let me see what tools I have here and what it requires. Yeah, I'm with the read instructions, so I'll be back after I put this thing together. Catch you in a minute. Alright guys, so that was a lot of work. Boy, I tell you, that was a lot of work. But it was totally worth it because it fit perfectly. I mean, I had like maybe 1.5 inches to spare, maybe. but it's exactly where I thought it was going to fit. So I just want to show you, I went from this crappy freaking camping chair, which I plan on folding back up and getting rid of it, to this. It's a nice little Loveseat, right? It is a nice little Loveseat, and it fits exactly where I planned on having it fit. I don't know why I'm moving the camera. Sorry about that. But yeah. And honestly, it's pretty comfortable. Only downside is I got this air conditioning unit right here next to me. And when it's on, it gets pretty cold, but when you need it, it feels good. And then you can just turn it off. Stella's going to like the little couch. Come on, baby. See, she's going to like it. She's already been climbing on it. So not only did the couch fit perfectly, I got another package delivered. So I think this is actually my silverware. So gonna make some noise and stuff like that because I'm gonna open up the tripod and the monopod and extend this thing. So I'm not gonna cut the video. He's got to deal with it. So I'm gonna do another unwrapping, unboxing. So didn't really come in a box. I do have some cable management that I have to figure out a little bit later as well. But I got this. Let's see what we got here. I think I know what it is. Pretty sure anyway. I think it's my silverware or flatware. And some brackets for the Murphy bed for the gas pistons that I'm going to be using. Because the bed's going to be heavy. Oh yeah, there's my flatware set. Oh, that's pretty cheap package. Let's toss that out of the way. So yeah, these are 10 millimeter little nubbies. Let me take one out of the package. That the gas springs or gas struts are going to be mounted to. Kind of like your hatchback on your car or your trunk. Well, not your trunk. I think trunks have springs, but like your hatchback or tonneau cover on a truck. It's going to mount to this, and that's what's going to help me push the bed up and down. So glad I got those. Let me put these over here with the seat swivels. And I'm pretty excited about this flatware because I like the color. I mean, I've never really been a decorator, so I'm trying to channel my inner decorator. So, the lighting's pretty shitty right now, but switch sides. It might help. Oh yeah, that's totally better. Sorry about that, guys. So, yeah, this is my flatware. It's black and gold. But I thought it went really well with the teal of the plates. Let me unpackage them all here and show you what I got. But yeah, like I said, it's black and gold. Oh no, it's only a set of 4, but you get your spoons, teaspoon, tablespoon, fork. What else we get here? Oh, looks like we get salad fork, or dessert fork, or I don't know what the hell they're called anymore. Dinner fork, big fork and little fork, Some of you might be familiar with big spoon, little spoon. So, I really like it. If I can get this all open, quick enough for you, I'll show you. Oh, there we go. There's an actual opening on one of the ends. So, get rid of all all these packagings, and I'll show you how it looks with one of the plates. Come on. So I'm pretty excited, man. I got a lot of stuff in this weekend, and totally needed it because it's a pretty sharp tooth. Looks like we just got stamped. So let's get all this crap out of the way. Make some space. Bear with me a second, folks. Up there. Get this crap out of the way. Bring you in a little closer. Hopefully they'll see it. Oh, let me bring it back. Kind of new to all this stuff, so here's the plates. Right, so remember, these are my teal color plates and bowls, and this is the black and gold flatware set. Kind of like it. I think it looks good with the teal. What do you think? I think it looks alright. I really like it. So thanks again for watching this video and being patient with me with all the movement on the camera, but it's definitely getting there. That's that sofa, that little love seat. Man, that's a lifesaver, let me tell you what. So I have a coffee table coming in, I think Monday, even though it's Memorial Day. I think it says it's going to be here Monday anyway. And that's going to go obviously in front of the love seat, right? And then the plan is with the Murphy bed. The plan with the Murphy bed is to, when it comes down, it's going to be just above the coffee table. So the coffee table won't have to be moved, theoretically, if I can design it properly, you know, but we'll see. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that little bell button so you're notified when I upload another video. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Have an honorable Memorial Day weekend. And remember that it's for the soldiers that died. It's not for active duty, and it's not for us veterans. It's for our brothers that died. We have our own Veterans Day, and we have Armed Forces Day. So this is for our soldiers who died. Thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend.